We're gonna go to Worcester now because the smiley face, the monkey wrench, and the first commercial Valentine's Day card, you would have never guessed. They have that one thing in common. They were created in Worcester.
They were all created in Worcester. We can't forget, Kwani, about Candlepin Bowling.
That's a good one.
But it's been a while, actually, since there was a place that people could go to let things roll. Mm-hmm. See what I did there? Yeah. But now there's a new spot bringing it back. Check this out.
American Flatbread's a flatbread pizza restaurant with Candlepin Bowling. Worcester is the home of Candlepin, so it was kind of a no-brainer to be able to bring that back to the city and give it some life again.
It's invented by a gentleman named Justin Pop White, who owned a billiard hall and a 10-pin bowling alley. He meets a gentleman who's really good at marketing and kind of a little suave named Jack Munsey. They create this new game after they find a broomstick in one of the closets. They were already doing 10-pin and wanted to develop their own style, and it's been here ever since.
And they're really keeping tradition alive. All of the equipment is refurbished. There's no electronic scoring, all pen and paper, so they're keeping it old school.
I don't think we're trying to come up with anything that's new and fancy. I think it's been done really well for so long that we're just trying to keep it simple.
For over 40 years since American Flatbread opened in Vermont, they've had 10 flatbreads on the menu, and people love it.
Me too.
George, who is the creator, pulls everything from his farm and makes flatbreads, so kind of trying to continue that with all the local farmers that we use.
The premise of the company is to build something that can last for a very long time. George did a really good job at kind of putting roots in the ground and saying, like, we're going to be here and we're going to be here to help. We do benefit bakes every Tuesday night for local charities, whether it's a family that is in need or a local sports team that needs new gear or they're trying to go to a tournament or just a nonprofit. If we serve the community, we feel like they're gonna serve us and come and enjoy pizza and bowling and have a good time.
Had so much fun there, and I got to tell you, so the Pizza with a Purpose, they just did a Pizza with a Purpose for the Museum of Worcester, which is who has the exhibit. I mean, I think it's just a coincidence, but it's really cool to see the history come alive, back to life.
How
in
often
Worcester.
do they do that? Did they tell you?
The Pizza with a Purpose every week.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, they gotta
different charities. Yeah. But or causes in the community. But really cool to see Worcester embrace the Candlepin bowling again. It's hard. Have you ever done it?
I have. It's fun though.
It's fun.
It's fun.
It's a different game.
I'm glad they're keeping it alive.
Yeah, we gotta go.